In today's video, I'll unbox a gift from Mukesh Ambani sir. Wow. And along with that, you have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and an 8 megapixel 3x zoom sensor. I guess most of you are looking for this phone, but in Flipkart this phone is not available. You can still find this phone in Reliance Digital for channel. Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll unbox a gift from Mukesh Ambani sir, and let's see what I got from Mukesh Ambani sir. Hi, hello everyone. In today's video, let us unbox this brand new smartphone, Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please like and follow our Facebook page. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to our channel for more such kind of videos. So let us unbox this new baby. Wow. Looks good. The in-hand feel of the phone is very good. It's very light, but if we see it, it looks heavier, but the phone is very light. It's nearly around 170 grams. Now let us see what all do we get in the box along with the phone. So here we have, I guess, the data cable. We have a Type-C to Type-C data cable along with the phone and some paperwork and documentations. Remember that you don't get a charging adapter in the box. Now let us boot up this baby. Wow. Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox. Now let me increase the brightness of the phone. This phone has 6.4 AMOLED display which has a max peak brightness of 1200 nits, which is very bright. Here is the stock phone. You can see a few bloatware apps in the mobile. So now let us look at the design of the phone. On the back, you get a 12 megapixel primary camera which supports optical image stabilization, and along with that you have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and an 8 megapixel 3x zoom sensor. So the back side of the phone is made up of plastic. The sides of the phone are made of aluminium. Here you can see a Type-C port, speaker grill, SIM slot and a microphone. On the left side you don't find anything. On the right side you can find the power on off button and volume rockers. The in-hand feel of the phone is very good, and I didn't expect this phone to be such a light phone, but it's the reality. The phone is very light. You get a in-display fingerprint which is very fast. Let me try it once again. The fingerprint is pretty fast. The display looks very good. This phone comes with a Gorilla Glass Victus protection, which is one of the most strongest protection. This phone has a IP68 rating and can resist water and dust. You can find two variants in this phone. One is the 8GB and 128GB option, and the other one is 8GB and 256GB variant. Then you can find a 32 megapixel selfie shooter which does a great job. And this is it for now. I guess most of you are looking for this phone, but in Flipkart this phone is not available. You can still find this phone in Reliance Digital for 33.5k, which is a very good price for this good phone which offers very good features. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.